So then here, I was like, okay, well, what Brownsburg is going to show up? And it's the Brownsburg that I love that showed up, because you guys were spectacular tonight. Did that feel like, doesn't it feel good to get like one, like, ah, good, we're good again, right? Yeah, and that was, it really was. I mean, the show itself is outstanding, and now you guys are starting to find it. I think you are achieving so many of the goals that I know, and some of you are like, you're achieving your wildest dreams. I'm here to tell you there's a whole nother 2 or 3 levels that this program, I think, is going to. But it can't come from them. It's gotta come from you. And I would tell you the sky is the limit, but it's not. Man's been on the moon. The sky is not the limit. It's limitless. And it's how far can you take it? Seniors, show them the way. Your legacy is not a trophy or a placement or where you end up in finals. Your legacy is walking away going, next year they're gonna be better than we were my senior year because of what we did. You want this thing to just keep going up and up and up, don't you?
Yes, sir.
So that's what you're gonna do. I thought it was a fantastic performance, and I cannot wait to see the rest of the show get out there. Congratulations to all of you.
And so, I mean, you're making believers even out of the parents in the stands right now. They keep looking back like, whoa, that's a lot better. Okay, so yeah, we're making believers out of people. Keep it going, and we have to practice what we're gonna do at Fishers tonight. Because you're gonna turn some heads tonight, I promise, if you do what you're supposed to do. But can we do that now?
Yes, sir!
Let's do it.
I think tonight's going to be different because the students have really matured a lot this week. The level of their preparation, the level of their performance has just been remarkable this week. The kids seem unified, they seem to really have come together, so it's going to be a special night.
So that's our field now. I don't care where in Indiana we are, where in the world we are. When we step on that field, it's ours. You can say that was Brownsburg. It's about time. That drew me out of my mind.